How to know if you are restricted on Messenger. Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this video. There might not be a direct way to know if you have been restricted on Messenger. However, there are a few signs that may indicate that you have been restricted. So firstly, you will not be able to see the person's last active or the activity status. That is the green dot next to the person or a little letters showing when were the last active. You cannot see when the other person has read your messages. So as you can see here, it has only notified me as sent but not delivered. This can be also a sign that you have been restricted. Since the messages do not pop up in the other person's chat list, but they can always check the message, but they have the right to hide it if they have read or not. You won't be receiving any of the notification for new message from the person, even cannot call the other person. You can, however, check out the person's profile picture, but you will not be able to know any of the status update. If you are experiencing any of this sign, it is possible that you have been restricted. However, it is also possible that the other person has simply turned off the activity status or has not read the messages yet. So this is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.